Okay.
We got Starlink Mini in here.
Okay.
Right? You can throw your laptop in here, your power supply.
And how much is just this case for this?
This is just part of the 3,000. This is part of the system.
Oh.
Yeah. So see, now watch.
Oh, nice. Okay.
And then you're asking like if it's screens, right? No,
Okay.
We're fully integrated with the board now. So you remove this. Watch how fast it goes.
Hey, listen, all bears that I know are good people. Was he good people?
I see it now. Okay.
So that's 24 inches of glass.
Right. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Kiodiekin here. We are at CES 2026 continuing our live coverage. And we are with Arthur, a representative from the company Basecase. He's going to give us a brief product demonstration about the brand new product out there on the market. And let me know your thoughts. Arthur, take it away.
All right. Hey, thanks for stopping by. This is what we've got. We've got Basecase. It's an ultra portable workstation that is designed to be set up in 30 seconds. So this is what we've got here. This is one of our first production models, right off the line. You've got a detachable briefcase. This is the most important part if you're carrying on. So why don't you come over here? So this briefcase is designed to carry your laptop, your Starlink Mini. Over here we have a PlayStation. We have inserts for that, for gaming. So power supply, everything you need to run your Basecase. So that can close down. Set that aside. And now we're going to set up the Basecase. So you open that here. So this is 24 inches 4K screen. So you got dual. The most important part is we've got these legs that come out of the case. They're fully integrated. You have 3 different heights on this. So you have for a low, medium, and high. So this is 10 inches from the ground to the bottom of the screen. Pull out the second leg here, lock that in place. And now pull that up. Now we got our Basecase ready to power on. So if you come over here, behind the trolley handle, come over, we've got our port panel. So you got a 36 volt power jack, DC, your Thunderbolt, USB-C for laptop in, or you can do the option of HDMI right or left. And also you can do hardline Ethernet if you'd like. So.
And what's the speed on that Ethernet
So
connection?
1 gigabit.
Okay, set up.
And then this is a power button. You can power the case on and off.
Nice.
So that's just a quick setup of Basecase. We got these ones that are powered on. This case right here is 2 stacked together. We call this Quadzilla. So that's 5 independent screens, including the laptop.
Oh, nice.
So back here, we want to take this down. It's very simple. Push the button in, press the leg in. I'll pull the case over, lock it down, push this other leg back in, lock that in, and then I'll take my briefcase, what we started with, and I'll put that into the clips. There we go.
Nice. That's very nice, easy setup. And primarily, who do you think your product market is as far as customers?
Yeah, so we did a crowdfund back in February of last year, and a lot of our clients were across the spectrum.
Nice.
So we have military, we have construction, we have digital nomads, we have CPAs, we have radiologists, we have content creators like yourself, right? Photographers. So it really spans the market. So. There's a lot of people that come out. I didn't even know some of these use cases. A lot of search and rescue, military, fire department as well. So, yeah, we've been super excited by the reception of our market and our customers, and we pre-sold 450 of these so far. And then we are in production as we speak, shipping in February.
And what's the weight of this right now?
So without the briefcase, because the briefcase depends on what you have in it, this is 22 pounds.
Okay.
Yeah. And part of that weight is you got your trolley system, right? You've got your hub, you got your wheels, and you got your legs. So that's part of what makes up the weight. But we have 24-inch 4K screens in there, and they're beautiful. You can see here, 540 nits, 60 hertz refresh. And but yeah, right now we're doing a promo for CES attendees, 20% off, shipping in February.
All right, you guys hear that, 20% off for CES attendees. I'll leave more of this information of the company listed below here in the description of this video. Really caught my attention because, as you guys know, I'm really into gaming. This will be a really cool setup for a gaming event, tournaments, businesses who own gaming trucks. If you guys have gamer trucks, this will also be a nice, suitable setup for you as well. Where can they find you guys online right now on social media?
Yeah, so our Instagram is get_basecase, and our website is getbasecase.com.
All right, awesome. All right, well, thank you, Arthur. Anything else you want to add?
I think that's it.
All right, well, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe to get more footage. Thank you. And what type of sound system comes with those?
So this model doesn't have sound.
Okay.
That is the one thing that they also have two independent inputs potentially. So which one is doing sound? Like if you do HDMI.
Right.
So if you come over here, you can do USB-C in Thunderbolt.
Okay.
Or you can do HDMI left and right. So you can have two different laptops if you want it. But if you do that, which one's using sound? So we're still working on the design.
Okay.
So, but most people, the original plan was you have a laptop. Laptop's going to create your audio for now.
Right.
It's really designed for production, not really entertainment and gaming. So, like Tpain's one of our biggest fans.
I see.
Tpain has one of these.
What's the model types of these monitors?
These are LG.
They're LGs. Okay.
So they're 4K, LG 4K modules. So it's a module. We're not buying 4K LG screens and taking the house. We're getting the car module. And then we got to wire it with a driver board, backlight board.
I see. Okay.
Well, they're base case screens. Get it right.
Base case screens? But they're wrapped.
They're LJ modules.
LJ modules. What's the resolution on these?
4K.
Wow.
Yeah.
IPS
That's what's driving it. IPS.
So ideally, this will be good for gaming tournaments, travel, audio, video, I guess concerts.
See that? How fast I took that up? That's what the 3000. If you're buying portability.
Okay.
High-end portability.